So a few weeks ago, I released a video about my upgrade to my rig, where I went from an FX 8350 and 1080 Ti combo to a Ryzen 3700X and a 1080 Ti combo. You guys really seem to like that video, but some of the things that I haven't really showed off in that video are a full list of specs for the whole system, and also I didn't show too many shots of the PC fully finished. So that's what I'll be doing today. And you can watch all those beautiful close-ups of my PC in 4K quality if you want, so go watch this in that quality if you want. The PC nicely sits in an Aorus X570 Elite motherboard, which I chose for this build not only because it matched my graphics card, but also because of the good rear I/O and good VRMs. And also because it's probably just a personal preference, but I like it when motherboards have less of a shroud. I like it when the PCB is more uncovered. At the heart of the system lies a Ryzen 3700X, the poster child of a brand new series of 7nm CPUs from AMD. They have been everywhere in the news because people are loving them, I'm loving it. I ordered it straight away after it came out, and I definitely don't regret it. When it comes to cooling the CPU, we have ourselves the stock Wraith Prism cooler by AMD, simply because, well, I don't need anything else. I'm not overclocking anything, and this one looks rather nice, so it'll definitely be staying. For a graphics card, we have ourselves the Aorus GTX 1080 Ti. Man, is this thing beautiful. Man, is this thing a beast when it comes to gaming at 4K, which is what I do. So it's an all-around great graphics card there. The memory in the system is Corsair Vengeance LPX. I got 2x8GB sticks of 3000 MHz memory. Now, yes, I know we should probably have 3200 or above for Ryzen, but it doesn't really matter for me because, again, I play at 4K, so CPU speeds really don't even matter. Now, let's move on to storage, where our boot drive and main drive is a crucial M500 120GB SSD. Now, it is a bit small, so I am planning on getting the new Aorus PCIe Gen 4 1TB NVMe as my new main drive. I have two 1TB Seagate Barracuda 7200 RPM hard drives, which are more than enough space for me. Also, when it comes to quote-unquote storage, I have quite the controversial one in my rig because despite it being quite, a modern platform, apparently it's weird to have a optical drive in it, but I do, and it's a decent one. It's the Sony BD5300S. It's a Blu-ray compatible reader-writer drive. Now, you may notice I do have another expansion card, and that is actually a sound card. I have the Sound Blaster Z by Creative Labs. It is a great sound card, definitely way better than just integrated audio, and I really can't complain, especially since I got it for just £20. Powering the whole thing, we have a Be Quiet System Power 9 600 watt bronze power supply. 600 watts is more than enough for the system. I know there's people that would recommend getting more, but it really doesn't make a difference, so I went with 600 watts. Now, for the case itself, it's another one people say isn't really good, but I don't know, in my opinion it's okay. It's an XFX Type 01, which is apparently the only case XFX ever made. Yeah, it's an XFX pre-build, which my PC originally was. So that's why the case in XFX as well. And, people say it's bad, but I actually quite like it. So that is my current build. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments below. Let me know what you think I should improve in it, I should change it, and what should my next upgrade be down below. And also let me know down below if this video made you want to pick up any of the components I featured today. I'd also like to give a big thank you to my patrons, Kryken and Barry Yule. Thank you so much for your support. It really goes a long way, allowing me to make better and more interesting videos on this channel. And if you want to support the channel to allow me to make even better videos, then I highly recommend checking out my Patreon down in the description below. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in what I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.